Welcome and good morning, everybody. My name is David Jack. Oh, I am so excited to be here with you today at Bridal Elementary because today we are talking about one of my favorite things in the world, and that is I'm so sorry about that. Everybody, this is my friend Cosmo. Everybody say, hey, Cosmo. Cosmo, I'm trying.
But I brought some friends to help me.
No.
Is that okay?
It is not okay. Just tell them what the letter is and we'll get on with the
Hit
show.
it, guys.
No, Cosmo, tell them what the letter is.
What's the letter? What's the letter?
Next kind of job that dating. Cosmo, these are all real robots. What are you talking
Yeah, but
about?
I wanted to see one like in the movies.